frustrated that your videos never appear in YouTube recommendations despite consistent uploads and effort? I uploaded over 200 videos, yet algorithmic suggestions never brought me any meaningful views. YouTube's recommendation system favors channels with high watch time and click-through rate signals early on. Small channels struggle because YouTube processes over 500 hours of new content every single minute. Without strong viewer signals, your videos remain invisible, buried beneath millions of competing uploads daily. Suggested traffic often requires existing momentum, which small creators simply haven't had time to generate. My first 70 videos received less than 10 views each before I discovered the truth. Chasing algorithmic favor felt like gambling my time on unpredictable, unstable traffic waves and spikes. That's when I pivoted to mastering YouTube SEO, the secret second largest search engine. SEO focuses on optimizing titles, descriptions, thumbnails, and tags for search discoverability success. YouTube is the world's second biggest search engine, processing over 30 billion searches per month. When algorithmic suggestions failed me, SEO provided stable, long-term traffic and predictable growth metrics. Instead of hoping for recommendations, I learned to target low competition keywords with decent search volumes. I used tools like TubeBuddy, vidIQ, and Google Trends to uncover hidden keyword opportunities. For every video, I wrote titles matching exact search queries to maximize discoverability potential. Descriptions contained primary keywords twice, ensuring YouTube's algorithm understood my video's focused topic immediately. I also included timestamps, relevant hashtags, and pinned keyword-rich comments under every single upload. Thumbnails improved dramatically after I applied data-driven A/B testing to boost click-through rates consistently. My CTR jumped from under 2% to over 5% within 2 weeks. High CTR and optimized metadata signaled relevance to YouTube's search ranking algorithms effectively. Within 48 hours, new uploads began ranking on the first page of targeted search terms. Daily search impressions grew by 3,000% compared to my previous suggestions-only strategy. Even videos from months ago started receiving steady views thanks to optimized keywords targeting. SEO traffic sustained daily views of 50 to 100 regardless of recommendation placements. In contrast, algorithmic suggestions fluctuated wildly, sometimes generating no views at all overnight. SEO also increased my channel's authority, signaling YouTube my content belonged to relevant search results. Watching views pile up on old videos felt like discovering a hidden goldmine of opportunity. I stopped refreshing YouTube Studio every few minutes and focused on refining my SEO strategy instead. Now I plan content around search trends, not viral challenges or random algorithm hype. This data-driven approach reduced stress and provided clear direction for consistent content creation. SEO-driven channels often achieve greater long-term stability compared to those rely purely on suggestions. Even if YouTube changes recommendation algorithms, search-based discoverability remain a reliable traffic source. Many top creators attribute 50 to 70% of their views directly to search traffic. That's why learning SEO felt like unlocking YouTube's hidden growth engine just for me. Of course, suggestions still matter, but only after you've built a foundational credibility with search. Once search rankings improved, recommendation traffic gradually followed, amplifying my overall channel performance. Now, suggested views account for 20% of my monthly views instead of 0 previously. My average view duration improved as searchers found exactly the content they were looking for. Higher retention signaled quality, further boosting my videos in both search and suggested feeds. Search-first creators often see slower starts but dramatically more consistent viewership over time. The algorithm loves signals like CTR, watch time, and session duration, all improved by SEO. Building search authority takes time, but the payoff is sustained traffic long after upload. I started ranking for dozens of keywords within the first month of optimizing my channel. A small investment in metadata optimization yielded exponential returns compared to random suggestions chasing. Now I create content driven by search intent, reading comments to refine future keywords. This viewer-centered approach improved engagement rates and loyalty, further signaling YouTube to rank me. I also saw subscriber growth accelerate, with 90% coming via search-related views. SEO transformed my channel from hidden gem into a discoverable resource for potential subscribers. Even collaboration and external traffic sources now point to optimize search listings first. Ultimately, mastering YouTube SEO changed everything algorithmic suggestions never could for my channel. If the algorithm ignores you, don't despair. Learn to dominate search instead. Your consistent audience is just a well-optimized keyword away, waiting to click and subscribe. SEO gives you control, clarity, and confidence that algorithmic whims simply cannot provide. So stop chasing recommendation waves and invest time in real discoverability techniques right now. Want growth you can count on? Focus on search keywords and quality metadata today. Algorithmic favor is unpredictable, but search rankings reward effort strategically applied over months. I'm now proof that SEO, not luck or trend chasing, drives sustainable YouTube success. Whether you're new or established, optimizing for search ensures your content always finds an audience. Rely on SEO, not algorithmic hope, to transform your channel into a predictable growth machine. Take control of your YouTube journey, learn SEO, and watch your channel finally thrive.